So kasama sa mga pag-uusapan din natin, kasi may tanong kanina, sabi, sir, ano yung kaed? Bago naghiwalay si BIPED at saka si Culture and Arts, Music and Arts, ano, di ba dati MAPE siya? At tapos naging, dati PEM siya, tapos naging MAPE. Ngayon, pinaghiwalay na si BIPED, nag-break na si BIPED at saka si Culture and Arts sa ito na. But eventually, it's also connected with our cultures that defines us as Filipinos. So part of these concepts are those who have made representations of our country in different events na ayan. So halimbawa itong question number 4 natin. So he is a Filipino, Paul Volter, no, who won the gold medal at the Southeast Asian Games held in Hanoi, Vietnam. Siguro para mas masagot natin ng maayos itong tanong na ito, mag-focus tayo doon sa linyahang Filipino Paul Volter. Ayan, sige. So ito ba ay si Carlos Yulo? Ito ba ay si Michael Christian Martinez? Ito ba ay si Yumir Marshall? Or ito ba ay si Ernest John Obiena? Ayan, sagutin natin. Tingnan natin kung sino yung mga sumagot dito. Ayan, marami ang... Ayun, sabi ni Alma Mater. Ayan, so si EJ Obiena. So sabi ni Generalist Power, PRC is very tricky kaya expect the unexpected talaga. Totoo yan. There was, sa tinagal ko ng nagpapa-review ng Let's Gurong Pinoy. Ayan, dumating yung time na sa general education may mga sinasaksak silang konsepto ng culture and the arts. Parang naalala ko yata sa March 2026 na ayan, lumabas si Kabayaw, yung violinist. Sige, anyway. So sabi ni Claude and Dexter, letter D daw. Sabi ni Lao Tzu, nako, nandito pa lang philosopher, no? Si letter D. Shout out din kay Melvin Balita, sabi niya madali lang exam pagdating sa actual. We are really praying for that. Ano, ayan. Sige. But of course, in Gurong Pinoy, our commitment is really to make you feel confident, no? Kahit anong klaseng tanong ang iharap sa inyo, but you are grounded with our concepts, and I think there's nothing to fear. Ayan, sige. There's nothing to fear. Gurong Pinoy is here. Wow, nag-rhyme. So anyway, let's answer the question. Ano, ayan. Let's answer the question. He's a Filipino Paul Volter. Ayan. Basta wag na magkwento about kay Carlo Yulo. Paala kayo dyan. Okay, sige. So is it Carlos Yulo, Michael Christian Martinez, Yumir Marshall, or Ernest John Obiena? Okay. Linda Walker sa exam, sabi ni LPT, ako sure. Anyway, so, ang tamang sagot, of course, is Ernest John or EJ Obiena. Last June 2023, he became the first ever Asian Paul Volter to clear the elite 6-meter barrier. Ayan, sige. Okay, sabi ni Mina Jonard, RLPT, hindi familiar sa akin ang mga question. Ayan. Oh, now you are familiar. Okay, sige. And of course, Asian record, he currently holds the outdoor Asian record at 6 meters. So, to cut the story short, EJ Obiena becomes our national pride when it comes to pole vaulting. So, saan ba kasi nanggaling yung pole vault na yan, no? Ayan. So, historically, nag-umpisa ang pole vault, no? Of course, ng panahon pa ng mga Greeks and Romans, no? Ayan. So, they would cross the rivers and swamps or bodies of water using a pole, no? Ayan. So, while the time went on, no? Ayan, na ang mga ginagamit na ng mga pole nila ay naging wood, o naging bamboo, tapos naging metal, naging fiberglass. Ngayon, ang ginagamit na sa Olympics ay material na tinatawag nating carbon fiber. Ayan. So, yun nga, si Carlos Yulo, sabi nyo kanina, hindi na tayo magkwento. Okay, sige. Si Carlos Yulo ay artistic gymnastics naman siya. Alright, sige. And then, itong si Michael Christian Martinez is a Filipino-American, Phil-Am yata siya na, ayan. Hafi. Okay, sige. Si Michael Christian Martinez ay figure skater. And of course, we have Yumir Marshall, who is also a gold medalist in the Southeast Asian SEA Games, and I think nakarating rin siya ng Olympics, and he is on boxing. All right, sige.